Alright, if you need a paint code for your BMW 5 Series, this is a 2012. All the models that are this body style should have the paint code where the VIN number is. It's going to be on your door jamb or down here. And it's going to be that number right there in the corner. So this one's going to be 475. Don't worry about that 9. So 475 is the paint code on this BMW. Sometimes they put them in the trunk or under the hood, but this model year is probably going to be there. Alright, we're going to find the OBD port on this 5 Series BMW 2012. Usually right under the dash. So that's going to be right there. Sometimes it might have a cover on it, but this one does not. So, you got your brake pedal, OBD ports right there.